Welcome to Space on a Shelf. Today is Marvel Legends Captain America Secret Wars. Let's go! Looking at those accessories, he comes with different hands. He's got the one that points, he's got the saluting hand, he's got the grippy hands. What I did, I just give him a cut, the grippy hands, just to separate them. Gives you that little bit more flexibility and gives a few more options. In regards to the extra head, this is the one that I'm going to use because it's the action head. The smiling head for me is a little bit too nice, you know, for the shelf. I want him to be ready for action, do you know what I mean? The normal, it would have been nice to have like a normal stoic face, you know, like the 20th anniversary cap. That would have been nice for the shelf. But Action Jackson, here we go! In regards to his shield, it's good, it's nice, it's different. I still don't think we've got a full shield, a full good decent shield without the peg, but yeah, this shield's all right. I like it. It's got them bits. It'd be nice if you could attach the bits, you know, so we could, you know, make it a full shield and then, you know, have impact and things like that. But as it is, as it stands, it's really good. I like it. Okay, when it comes to sculpt and paint apps, I'm going to start with the head, work my way down. So when you're looking at the heads, they look really good. Like Marvel Legends these days, they really do nice heads, don't they? Do you know what I mean? The ear's sculpted on. I didn't think it were at first, but it is. It's sculpted on A on top of his FOD. My eyes are in the middle, which is always good. When I look at the smiling face though, it does give me vibes of Giant Man. You know, the 2-pack Giant Man. Going down to his torso and his arms and things. For me, this one, I really like his upper body. It's nice. It's a lot like the, you know, 20th anniversary cap who I've got also. He's got the same gloves, the boots. He's got a lighter. They're all a lighter red though. He's got the belt, which is the same as the 20th cap as well. What I did like about this one though is he's not shiny. He's got a bit of shininess on his neck, but overall he's not shiny. So he's got like it feels like he's got a matte finish. I don't know why, but I like it better than the shiny one for the 20th anniversary one. One of the biggest reasons I got this guy is because the 20th anniversary I think has pins. Yeah, he's got pins, and this one's pinless, so he just looks a little bit better, doesn't he? It's a nice to have. I think the shoulder straps that were with the 20th century would have been nice for him, but I don't think that was the look in the comics for this Captain America, so I can understand it not being with the Secret Wars Captain America. However, you know we better get it all. When that maximum line Captain America comes out, we'd be getting all of the things. For the most part with this guy, I can get him in most of the poses that I wanted to. I'm not gonna lie, I've had a lot of fun doing posing this guy around and taking some pictures. You know, I've been able to get quite a few pictures out of him. He has a similar articulation to the Cap 20th anniversary one. He's got the typical shoulders, as we know. He's got the double knees, got the double elbows. But you know, one thing to note is because he's got the gloves and the boots on, they do restrict how far they move. He's got the ankle pivot. Ankle pivot's nice. Got the forward and backward on the ankle pivot. When it comes to his legs, he's got a good kick forward, around 90, actually over 90, and then he goes back quite, you know, a nice normal amount, if you will. Both further than the 20th anniversary Captain America. And this guy can do almost the splits. And like I said in my last video, the reason this is good, if you can do the splits, is you can get him into better poses, and he balances a little bit better in them poses. So yeah, all is good around that. He's got an ab crunch, which defo suits this character. Do you know what I mean? I want him to be able to do that bending kick and, you know, bend back if he needs to, you know, when he's throwing his shield or whatever he's doing. We definitely need that ab crunch on this character. And with the way that he's, you know, with the way that the pattern goes on his upper body, it's like they could have just put that swivel for the diaphragm in here and it would have been glorious. He's got the disc on his neck, you know, the ball and disc joint. So he's got a really good up and really good down, as they do with the disc. But with the disc, you sort of sacrifice the attitude pose to the left and the right. But still, you still get it. Still get the wibbly wobbly. If you wanted him. Overall though, like I was saying before, I could get him in every pose that I wanted to get him in. Some of these characters though, I really would like to get them into that power pose. Do you know what I mean? So that, you know, the power pose that we see, the superhero crouching pose would be the one. I got a picture of him in that power pose, but he was on an Ultron prop. Do you know what I mean? So he didn't go all the way to the ground. Still nice, still could get him in it, but I would have loved, you know, just that little bit more from this sort of figure. All in all though, am I happy with this guy? I defo am. I really am. He's really good. I really like him. I'm going to keep him. It's going to be a tough decision of who to keep on shelf between this guy and the 20th anniversary one. Who are you guys backing? Should we go Secret Wars cap Or should we do 20th anniversary cap? But there's only room for one. It's like the Highlander. There can only be one. Okay, this is the Secret Wars Captain America with the Secret Wars peeps. This is the Secret Wars Captain America with those other legends that I have around my desk. This is the Secret Wars Captain America with a couple of Joes. And last but not least, Captain America Secret Wars with those Street Fighters. You know what time it is. It's time to kick back, relax, turn up that music, and let them poses flow.